Hello, it's me, Misha the Young Chef. Today we'll be making date almond chocolate. Let's take a quick look of all the ingredients. Crushed cashew and almonds, dates, compound chocolate, I put almonds in this, but you can put whatever you want. Almonds, cashew nuts, anything. If you don't want to put anything, you can. Get a pot, put it on the stove, fill some water in, put a ball in, and put the chocolate in the bowl. Here is our melted chocolate. And here is a plate I greased with butter. So the next step is get your dates, dip it in the chocolate, and then you put it into your cashew and walnuts. And you put it on the greased plate. Done. Now we have rolled these in chocolate and nuts. So we're going to put these in the freezer for 15 minutes. Holy chocolate goodness. Don't forget to like and subscribe my page called Misha the Young Chef. Peace out.